welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF. Got my man, Mr. Dave White, with me. We're growling and prowling with you out here. We're going to talk markets, and we're going to talk some technology. Dare to believe. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow finish down 531. NASDAQ off 171. S&P's down 52. Gold contract up 550 at 1,158 an ounce. Silver down 26 cents at $15.25 an ounce. Platinum down 8 at 1,023. You got copper down 2.5 pennies at 229. Light sweet crude, just can't find the bottom. It was down $1.50 earlier, down 97 cents, 40.35. Oil, folks, looks like it's going after that $32 to $35, which is a total mind blow. Isn't that crazy?
I was looking for the ladders when I drove over here today. No ladders. They were leaving it at $2.25 a gallon.
$2.20. It's going to go down. We'll go through the gasoline too. Bonds, 10-year up 12 ticks, 128.23. 30 up 10 ticks. 160.13. Bottom line, both of those are going after their April highs. We'll see how they approach. They're approaching those highs with conviction right now, folks. King dollar's down 1,000 ticks, 94.95. That baby's going after that June 18th swing low of 94.40 to 93.30. Euro up 126, and the yen down a penny and a quarter. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. So the world of the S&Ps, folks, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Nasty day, nasty week, nasty all above. Bottom line, what the number that we've been talking about here is getting hit and fast, furious, and all of the above. It's pretty amazing, actually. Okay, so the SPYs, I'll use the SPYs because I know plenty of people have them. The SPYs are at 197.63. We did volume out here. Check this out, of 320, is that right? 326,000 million? You got to be kidding me. No, that's a weekly. Yeah, we did 326 million shares, okay? That's a total mind blower in itself. Well, anyway, the highs of the lows of the October level is 191. You know, bottom line, maybe we'll hit it Monday. We take a look at the NDX 100, the 3Qs. What do you have with the 3Qs? Bottom line, 3Qs are trading out here at the 102 area, 102.50. The 3Qs did 92 million shares. The 3Qs, folks, have a long way to go down before they even hit the top of that. It's 94. Right now we're at 102. If we take a look at the Dow Industrials, so what the Dow Industrials have done is this. Yesterday we were talking about the NYA, the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange composite. That baby had gone after the October level yesterday. Well, guess what? It not only went after it, it basically ripped it apart. So now what you have is this, and this is now the highs of that level that we were looking at is 16,602. Well, the Dow closed down 530 with 16,459. That's saying the Dow's going to 15,855. So 700 bucks, 700 more. It's pretty intense. And as I said, the first one, and I'm going to bring this up for all you folks that are sitting in your car and you might be just tuning in right now. The biggest danger, not the biggest danger, it's bad enough as it is, but if you don't have stops in, folks, okay, and you're in these S&P stocks, we're still a long way away from the October level in the S&P. The cash S&P is at 1977, 1975. The high is 1912, okay? So that gets you down, what, another $65, 63. We're down 60 today. The low, though, is 1820. Big number. Big number. And the bottom line is that you had the volume, all the indices, everything. NYSE did 1.3 billion. On the NASDAQ composite, what you did 2.7 billion. Where what is problematic in a huge way, and this is what it is. I mean, the whole world looks like they're looking for a bounce, which is pretty amazing. But guess what? 2 days down, I don't see a bounce. Why I don't see a bounce? Okay, so check it out. The Dow is down 3%, NASDAQ was down 3.5, S&P's down 3. But if you're watching my screen, even if you're not watching my screen, I'm going to walk you through the world. So Shanghai was down 4.2 last night. Hang Seng was 1.5. Nikkei was 2.9. They're going to open the market up Sunday night. They're going to gap lower. We go to Europe. What do you have with Europe? Bottom line in Europe, you had the FTSE down 2.8. The CAC Carol was down 3. The DAX was down 2.9. It's like, you know, why can't you gap lower again? No reason you can't, you know. And if we take a look at the, we got the first real major downtick happening, okay? You get a downtick of minus 1457, and what that means, folks, is that simultaneously you had that many people selling on the bid inside the NYSE. If we take a look at the trend, what you have inside the trend is that we're about 2.8, I think. Yeah, 2.8. Well, for one day. You need, on a 5-day basis, man, that thing's going to be running 11 or 12, and you're not even close to it.
But in bear markets, it's not uncommon to get wild 30% corrections in one day, and then of this move down that we've had in 3 days, and then give it all up, maybe even the same day.
That's right.
Okay, so the one thing you have to understand is that that 50% correction or the 382 correction or anything, you can get it in 2 hours, and everybody will think it's over. And just like today where you were talking about the IWM,
right.
It goes right up, and boom, you're right back out.
Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. And what I'm digging more than anything right now is that I saw it this morning. People were scared to go short, which is like, oh, and people would think, oh, there's bounces everywhere. It's like, you know, and those indicators, and those, you know, as I'm going over this, Dave knows Tim Ward really well.
Yeah.
Those indicators, okay, that tick indicator with that 5-day trend, okay, with a rejection of price, man, is so clean at the bottoms. I mean, Tim and I have killed the market on that.
Right. If you want to buy a medium-term bottom, but not one that is maybe over an hour or 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah, no,
yeah.
My point is we're not even close.
No.
Right.
But you can get those wild pullbacks and then a retest of the low.
I was long and short today.
Yeah,
I played the bounce. I was saying to my son, I shot up the yin-yang, I played the bounce, I got the bounce, and then I'm shot up the yin-yang again, and he's looking at me like, I can't believe you're doing this, man. It's a beautiful thing. It's Tom O'Brien, Dave White. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow is down 530. NASDAQ was off 171. S&Ps were off, where are we, 54. Dave and I are coming right back, folks. We'll talk some technology.